Okay, so there are 5 basic elements to any HTML page. The doc type, which specifies the version of HTML that your page is using. The HTML tags, which contain the actual content that your browser will display. The header tag, which specifies information about your actual page, but we don't see that information. The body is basically the markup for the stuff that we do see, that is displayed by your browser. And the title, which is shown in the tab of your browser. We'll delve into those right now. So the version. There have been different versions of HTML over the years as it has become more standardized as well as obtained more functionality. So the version of HTML that most browsers and web pages are made in these days is called HTML5. But within the doc type tab, you can actually specify what version of HTML that the website is built in, as shown in the bullet points below. There are many of them. The different versions have slightly different syntax and functionality. As we look at the diagram on the right of the screen, we'll see that exclamation mark doc type space HTML, which is shown in yellow, in the yellow box, is what is specifying HTML5. In order to make sure that your HTML is in proper format, you could use the following website, https://validator.w3.org, to check if your HTML is valid for the standard you specified in the doc type. The reason why you want it to be valid is because if it isn't valid, it could render slightly differently or cause unexpected things to happen on your website. It might look weird and you might not know why. So by making sure it's following good formatting will prevent unexpected things from happening in different browsers. Because sometimes it might act funny in one browser, but not another if it's improper HTML. Okay, so let's delve into the different tags a little bit more. The HTML tag, which is shown in the yellow box as angle bracket HTML angle bracket. This basically, and it ends with /HTML. All tags end with the open bracket and slash angled bracket. Usually, not always. So basically, this tag tells your browser where the HTML page starts and where it ends. So while the doc type specifies the version, the HTML tags actually specify the start and end of the content. The header tag. This is for specifying information about your page. It's not shown in your browser. This is usually like descriptive information. The title tag, for example, would hold what is shown in your tab. So it's information about the page, or at the top of your browser in the title. It doesn't actually appear in the actual page you're viewing. And the body. This contains the actual markup for your page, and we'll be going and taking a closer look at that in just a moment.